Hello, today I'm going to show you how to clean the cappuccino maker after use. So let's start. Deliver little water for a few seconds by rotating the steam knob to the position 1. Then turn the steam knob to position 0 to stop the flow of hot water. Wait for a few minutes for the cappuccino maker to cool down. Nice and easy. That makes your tube a little bit cleaner and smoother, of course. Clean the cappuccino maker each time you use it to avoid the buildup of milk residues or blockages. Yeah. There are 2 holes, one on the upper part and one on the bottom side. You can use a needle to clean this little holes, because if these holes are blockage, this will not give you so much power into your cappuccino at the next time. So easy to clean these parts first before you continue the other things to start. So now we get how we get the cappuccino maker disassembled. Wait for a few minutes for the cappuccino maker to cool down. That it is. Grip the handle of the cappuccino maker tube firmly in one hand, and with the other rotate the cappuccino maker anti-clockwise and remove by pulling downwards. There it is. Good job. Easy going, as you can see. Nice. Now you can get this part of the cappuccino maker to your cleaning spot, and at the cleaning spot we are going to get a little bit of soap and fresh hot water in it, and a little bit of hot water and fresh water because of the overheating for your hands, of course. When cleaning the cappuccino maker, a little hot water is delivered. Avoid contact with splashes of water, of course. In this case, you have to check how hot is the soap water, and until it is comfortable, you can start by the cleaning process. Rotate it through the water a little bit, and at the end you can wash it down with a little bit of fresh water and have a look for the tubes, and the tubes has to be free and the holes has to be free too for a better flowing of your milk and hot water delivery. There it is. Shake it, wash it, job's done. Easily. Wash all parts of the cappuccino maker thoroughly with a sponge and warm water. You can use a cloth too, as you can see. Make sure the holes slowly are opened. This is important, and we fixed that with a needle, of course. Yeah, and now it's all clean. You can use a little bit of bacteria remover for this too, but it's enough to make it with soap water. Reinsert the nozzle and replace the cappuccino maker on the nozzle, turning it and pushing it upwards until it is attached. Here again, you can see it. You have to insert it, rotate it a little bit, and after this step, you have to lock it. There it is, locked. Job's done. Now, your cappuccino maker are ready to use again. And that it is. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And see you next time. Soon.